Hello fellas, we are back with Allu Arjun. This time we are going to react to Arya 2. The name of the song is My Love Is Gone, and it's with Allu Arjun and Devi Shri Prasad. I don't know who Devi Shri Prasad is. It might be a director or lyricist or something like that. I have no idea. This song was recommended to me by Vishal Taware, who has been very active on my channel and has been continuously recommending me stuff about reacting to a lot of things, and specifically Allu Arjun's. And I'm really thankful to him for suggesting me some great videos that I always look into it. And this time I'm trying to react on My Love Is Gone Arya 2, unless it is not copyrighted by the people who claim it to be their video. Now it is from the movie Arya 2. Like, I have no idea in which year this movie got released, but it is uploaded in the year 2015. So I'm guessing it was in 2015, and I'm just going out with it, and it has around 18 million views and 112,000 upwards. So it's pretty good, pretty decent, and it's Allu Arjun, so it's gonna be great, right? But before I start the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe to the channel, also the bell icon, so you never miss any updates from me. Also, links to the Instagram and Twitter are given in the description below. If you want to follow me, comment, or suggest me something, I would love to hear it from you guys. Without further ado, let's start. I have no idea what this song gives us, but from the way it's been shown, I guess he's gone through a breakup and is really want to get drunk right now. Superb. This is like some flavor of Ye Jani Hai Diwani Badtamiz Dil from like the movie, the song Badtamiz Dil, right? Ranbir Kapoor's, right? I know I'm comparing it, but like it gives a little bit of flavor like that, because it's a white shirt, black pant, and like thin slim tie which he's wearing right now. And he started again all the steps which, leg work, which I always am envy when he does that thing. I've seen this actress somewhere. Oh my god! All the stunts which he does is absolutely amazing. I don't understand that if he is the person who has came out with all the steps, or the choreographer, because the way he does that is absolutely like he owns it. The steps he does, he totally owns this thing. Absolutely fantastic. The cinematography, the lighting, the screenplay is absolutely amazing. Like the way he does these things, superb, yeah. I have seen this actress somewhere. Like recently somewhere I have seen her. I don't know where. Look at the background. Look at the dancers. Everyone is so on point. You just love watching this video. Wow! Look at the leg work. Superb. And this is a warm formation of warm step dancing. It's done on both sides actually. Wow, absolutely amazing. You just want to get slashed. You want to get drinking and smoking and everything, because the love is gone. You just don't want to remember anything right now. That's the reason it is like all this. But he has a song for everything, and the way he makes the song with all the steps and choreography is absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. The bulb, the lighting, the steps, what he does is to another level. I mean, from 2015 this is going on, and it's still amazing to see him doing this. Oh, so energetic, man. So energetic. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm still telling you, it gives me the flavor of Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. I guess Ye Jawani Hai Diwani has been inspired from this song. I'm telling you, the background dances are not up to mark of Allu Arjun, because he is amazingly talented, and the way he does this step is another level. Absolutely superb. Look at this. Look at that. Look at fantasticness, the way he does the steps. Wow. You just need a great practice doing these steps. Okay, it is not a cup of tea like just an easy thing to do on just one go. Everything should be in so proper manner. Whenever, even if you're drunk, it's again the bomb step. Wow, superb, man, superb. And whenever you add the slow motion to it, it gives the flavor to it. Superb, amazing, just amazing. Being Arya 2 might be a successful one because the way he's doing it again, because it might be a successful series. I don't know if it's Arya 2, 3, 4, but this is amazing, man. You just want to see it again and again. You just want to be a party animal right now. What he does is absolutely fantastic. So this was Allu Arjun's My Love Is Gone. I didn't understand much of it because I don't have subtitles, and I just tried to like understand the fact that what is actually going on in the movie. There might be a thing that her girlfriend or crush or something might be in love with someone else, or she might not be able to marry him or something, like whatever. But the thing is that it's gone, and he's just trying to get lost himself by drinking and smoking and all sorts of things, and not want to remember what's going to happen the next day. But if this is the way he gets drunk and he dances with all the steps and coordination with all the background dancers, I guess it's amazing. I just want to, like, be in that world where, like, he dances. I just want to dance with him once, just like get on the few steps and just understand how the things go on. Amazing, super, just fantastic. I just don't know, like, how these things like are being formed. Is it like Allu Arjun who does the steps, or like it's choreographer who helps him, or like he does his own steps? Because all the people, all the background dancers are like good enough for him, but somewhere they fall back. Somewhere Allu Arjun is gone way ahead of all other people, and way ahead of his time. Okay, because at this point of time, many people are trying to dance properly on the songs that have been carried out by musicians, but only few people are able to match the steps of the music, and that's the reason, like, they come ahead of and they come in the limelight. Allu Arjun, being a stylish star, he knows how to keep that thing in front. He knows how to make things so much attractive, so much out of the box. This is absolutely amazing. It's just less than 4 minutes, but it creates a great vibe in you. You just like like to hear it again and again, and you like to see the steps, and you like to learn from him, because the way he does that is absolutely out of the world. You just like love him from the time he starts the song to the time he ends it. Wow, it is superb, absolutely superb. I like when there is so much efforts involved inside the song, while making the song, while choreographing it, while the background dancers are like putting there so much of efforts making the whole song properly viable, for making it the whole cinematography, the screenplay of that particular song in a proper order. And it's absolutely amazing the way it's been carried out, because the whole responsibility is on Allu Arjun, and when he does it properly and everything looks proper, you just don't see any of the mistakes going on background side. Even if it's there, I don't think it's there, but still, if it's there, so it's absolutely superb the way it's carried. I just want to see the movie if it's available anywhere, or if anyone has it. I would like to see a lot of Allu Arjun's movie, because the way he dances is absolutely amazing. And if I get some music or song of which is having subtitles with it, I would love to understand that, because the song is great, the steps are great, the music is great, the people dancing in it is absolutely fantastic. I just need to understand what it says. That's what it is right now. Wow, great, amazing, superb. I just like, there are so many songs of Allu Arjun which I would like to update my playlist. For example, it's a Blockbuster from Sara Naidu. If it's Erega Erega, then it's like In the Night, and Butter Boma with Allu Arjun and Pooja Hegde, City Mar, then Godilo from DJ. So many songs. It's absolutely amazing to see both of them actually. So in recent years, Allu Arjun pairing with Pooja Hegde is a very good choice, and I would love to see them both again dancing, romancing in one movie, because it's a hit pair. I love that pair, absolutely superb. So this was the reaction and this was my review about this song, and I hope you liked it. And I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon, so you never miss any update from me. Also, links of the Instagram and Twitter are given in the description below if you want to connect with me, if you want to comment on anything or suggest me something. I would love to hear it from you guys. Now until the next reaction, until the next review, until the next song or the next video,